Mobe, TVJ, towering over his peers. Silkboss also with a couple trending tunes.
I love the spotlight from day one, you know. So I'm always in the middle of everything. Like for instance, if 10 person they start talk, me take a chair, I'm gone and I miggle. Cause I want everybody they look for me.
All me one and the road. Mommy me no want no friend. How them say them real to me and still them want my life in.
Me there road if me not work, you know. Me dey burn one spliff a drink 2 rum, me a freestyle for my friend them see, me a freestyle for people see so they can video me for post it.
The dog when Jesus born a Bethlehem, my family did genuine, no Cain go murder Abel then.
Silkboss just 19 and very tall. His father, former footballer Rowan Reid. The son, though, in a different league, but more time spent pursuing his dream of being a DJ than on the basketball court.
You didn't want to do basketball at some point?
No. I normally want to play football like my father, but it don't really work out for me, you know. So I just do this, cause this work out for me, and I'm actually passionate about music more than the sport, so it's just a music club, you know.
He hails from Mobe, made do getting odd jobs.
I'm living the life, I'm feeling so hype, no.
The music can take a while to kick off, so when I do one little construction site work, and at one point I work at one car wash here, I try to earn some money for push my music.
The push paying off. Found a tune this year.
You know, it all started out from a youth name, Halo here, you know. And I'm up on a block one day, a freestyle, and he just said to me, say, yo, you're bad in a youth. And I say, I try to, you know, I hope say one day we work, and the G say, yo, you know, so I can bust you. I don't think he have that the type of link that fi push me, you know. And then I see me did a freestyle and he video me on my phone, and when he did that, he video me on the phone, he got so bam so. And him have it for a week, I contemplate, and he go play ball this Sunday. Sunday evening he call me and he say, artist, I know so I'm going to post the video. And I say, alright, do it all do. And him send a youth on TikTok named Bougie 10Q the video. And Bougie post it on his page, and then I just hit that from there, so the video just go viral. I just see it start go viral. People all about a link me and say, yo, me see up on TikTok till they start, so then see me on This Is a Blast, Pink Wall, Galaxy in Paris. Me I love the feeling, because at the end of the day, I try a long time, and I always want the break, so I always a fight piece. When I see the song blow up on the media, when Mankind just drop, and I see in a couple minutes see the 100,000 views, I start crying. My friend them have to wet me up with all water. Because me here so can't believe, because I'm just a 19-year-old youth. You have some negative comment coming same way, but I don't really focus on the negative, positivity. So I read the negative one them same way, because at the end of the day I can pick out something that makes sense from outside. And all of that strengthens me to be a better individual.
Among the feedback he's been getting,
If I keep it up, I hope I don't take up a wrong road. Mobe is a place where a dog eat dog, you see, G. So people saying that in a terminology saying I'm a beer youth. So them just tell me basically if you not be like every other beer artist. You see, pray. I have to be different in my own way and just humble.
when you say Mobe is like a tough place, how tough is it?
Very tough, because in Mobe, if you don't have certain name status, they look down upon you down there. You know, they really look down upon you. I don't bash where I come from, I did them born and grow, but you have certain states and you have certain people in a Mobe where they don't really have the heart and the mindset to help anybody more than themselves.
But Mobe also has a rep right now because of the whole violence happening down there. There's violence happening in Kingston too, you know, because things are tough right now.
I don't really worry about nothing, you know, Mr. Miller. I say pray, I just have faith, one heap of faith. I say pray, I trust in the Almighty, not in human.
But you don't put yourself in situations where the wrong sort of vibe or energy might reach you.
I left me hard, you know. I stay home with mommy and my sister them, man. I left me yard, man. So I don't really go in a certain places and go certain locations for certain things happen. I just stay to myself and my music and a loyal person around me.
You want to do music, there are other people out there who just want a job. What's the situation like in Mobe right now for people like that?
At one point, it was hard for me, seeing me to like how it's hard for them, you know? Because before I turn artist, as I said, I have to work. And it will take me a while to get to work. I go link with one lady in a scheme named Jackie, and Jackie made me get my first work on a construction site. You know, and I work there until the work end up finished. I get a car wash work and I work there and then rob a place same way where I there work, so that if I end up stop. So at the end of the day, maybe a cruel, they see if you're a humble youth and you're smart, you will make it out of Mobe.
When you were on the construction site, what sort of work did you do? You were lifting heavy stuff, or like what actually were you doing?
Mix concrete, I fling bucket from downstairs to upstairs. You know, all of them something there.
And you were the one spitting the lyrics, you were the one entertaining the other crew?
Yeah, man, we're up on site and when we're ready, I do my little freestyle, man, you know? Yeah, man.
Give me a line from something you would freestyle to one of the fellow construction workers.
Hold me on and try the road. Mommy, me no want a friend. Oh, them say them real to me and still them want my life here. And the shag up thing about it is me give my last and all to them.
Religion a division, so Jaja send a cross for them.
Who was sort of painting a picture for you that made dancehall seem really exciting and something you wanted to be a part of?
Mr. Miller, to tell you the truth, Mr. Miller, I idolize one heap of dancehall artist, you know. Because me's a boy I just love music for music. You know, and everybody in a dancehall have something to share and I can learn from somebody, you know.
Why is it difficult to mention a name?
No, me just...
Mention a name?
No. Me just love music overall. Me listen to every dancehall artist.
You think if you mention one name, you might offend the other one?
Me listen to every dancehall artist. Me's a blender, man. Me mix up the whole of the dancehall catalog, them whole of music character, them music catalog, them, and build my own style, my own difference.
But be honest, you listen to a lot of hip-hop.
Yeah, man, me listen to hip-hop music too.
Who you rate among the hip-hop artists?
Me listen to one hip-hop artist.
Silkboss brings to mind late DJ Father God, also from Mobe.
Some people say me sound like him too, some say me resemble him too, you know. As me say, me just there do me and I try to build my thing and I build my own craft.
The DJ says he's not vaccinated. No surprise there, even though his mom's a nurse.
Put on the mask, make sure you no hand sanitizer. My mother that because she's a nurse.
So she got vaccinated?
Yeah, my mother got vaccinated.
Thank God, with you coming home every day, that's the first thing I would have done. How tall are you, by the way?
6'8".
What's it like being 6 feet 8 inches?
People have to look up to me, literally.
And things generally looking up for Silkboss. Life story, the follow-up to Mankind.
I'm living the life, I'm feeling so high, no. And it's a feeling nice. Me living the life, I'm feeling so high, no.